In this video, I'm going to show you how to track who unfollowed you on Instagram. First, open Instagram by tapping on the icon. On the Instagram homepage, navigate to the profile page by tapping the rightmost option in the bottom navigation bar. In the upper right corner, click the three bars. This will take you to the Settings page. In the Settings tab, tap the Account Center option on the top. Here, click the Your Information and Permissions option. This will open a new menu. Here, click the first option labeled Download Your Information. Then click Download or Transfer Information. On the next page, click the Some of Your Information option. Here, you can select what information you want to download. Scroll down and click Followers and Following. Click the Next button. Here, click Download to Device and click Create Files. Here, you have to wait for the data to be processed and downloaded. After a few minutes, you will see the Download option. Click on it to download the file to your device. Then open your file manager. Look for the file you just downloaded and extract it. Open the extracted folder. Go to the Connections folder. Click on the followers.html file. Open it using an HTML viewer. Here, you can see all your followers. Now compare these with your Instagram follower list to check who unfollowed you.